Okay, these are your homework video notes over direct variation. So let's go ahead and start with our definition. What is direct variation? Direct variation, y varies directly as x changes. So basically, as one variable changes, so does the other. It is a proportional relationship. Our formula, y equals kx, where k is the constant of variation, which is the same thing as slope or rate of change. The first thing we're going to do is determine whether or not an equation we're given is direct variation. To do that, we need to solve for our variable y. To get y by itself here, I'm adding 3x to y. So to get y by itself, I'm going to subtract 3x. And because 3 and x are multiplied, I can move them as one unit. So I'm going to subtract that from both sides. And we get y equals negative 3x plus 6. Because I have a y-intercept of 6, this equation is not direct variation. Next, we're going to graph direct variation. So we have 3y equals 4x. Just like before, we are going to have to get the variable y by itself. So this time, we're not adding anything to y, but we are multiplying it by 3. So, in order to get y by itself, we're going to divide by 3. We get 1y equals 4 over 3x. And so that's our direct variation equation. 4/3 is my constant of variation. That's that k value from our formula. So we're not adding or subtracting anything. So my y-intercept is right at 0 at the origin. And then we're going to plot the next point using our slope. So rise over run, so we're going to rise 4 and run to the right 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's our new point. And then draw your line. Next, we're going to look at a table to tell whether or not a table is direct variation. So to tell whether or not a table is direct variation, we are going to divide y by x. Now this only works on direct variation. This is not how you find slope, but it will tell you whether or not a relationship is proportional. So we're going to divide each one of these and see if they all simplify to the same thing. So let's start with 9 over 0.5. 9 over 0.5 simplifies to 18. So we're looking to see if the rest of the table matches 18. 54 over 3, 18. Negative 36 over negative 2, 18. This one we know 18 divided by 1 is 18. And then last we have negative 144 divided by negative 8. So as you can see, all of these simplify to 18. So this is direct variation. So now we need to write the equation. So this number that they've all simplified to, this 18, that's our constant of variation. So we're going to write our equation, which is y equals 18x. Write the direct variation equation. It's just like a table. If I were to take these values and put them into a table like the one above, we would have 24 and 3. So to find our constant, we're going to do y over x, or in this case 3 over 24, which simplifies to 1/8. So our equation, y equals 1/8 x. Okay, these need to go on page 2 of your ISN, and we will practice direct variation in class tomorrow.